today I'll teach you how to register for a GIC account in CIBC. Alright, so first of all, open a browser, then search ISBO CIBC in Google. Then click on the second link. This is the very first link. In fact, this is the advertisement. Click on this ISBO-CIBC, whose link is pay.cibc.com. I'll add that link in the description. Click on that. Okay, so this page will appear. If you're in India, you can do an NEFT or RTGS transaction through internet banking. Okay, now this is the default selection. Please do not select student deposit program, select student GIC program. So GIC program is 10,000 Canadian dollars. Now select the country from which you're paying. As I live in India, I will select India. Then this will pop up, which the amount which you need to transfer. It's bank wire, it's in Indian rupees. I can even change the currency to Australian dollars, US dollars, or even Canadian dollars. But if I do in Canadian dollars, an additional 1.5% program fee, which is 150 Canadian dollars, will be added with 10,000 Canadian dollars. Alright, so as I have done in Indian rupees, I'll go with Indian rupees. Select whatever you like, then click on select. Alright, so this time frame will pop up, which means CIBC will hold the exchange rate, this exchange rate, for the next 20 minutes, so that you can fill your student details. Then click on student information. Okay, now you need to fill these details. These details are already been filled. As we'll type here, the details you can see over here. You can check that. Okay, now let's fill the form. Mr. Let's suppose our guy name is ABC, his last name is XYZ. Do not fill this first name in home country language. It's optional. Do not fill it. Now school, which means you have to write the name of your school or select the name of your school from which you have received an offer letter. I'll write University of Calgary main campus, program of study, engineering, student ID. This is your ID. This will be there in your offer letter. Tentative arrival date. If you are going there for fall intake, you will probably select August 15. Okay, tentative graduation date is 2 years after that. It will be automatically selected. It's 1 year, so select it after 2 year. 2023 August 30. Okay, this is just the tentative, means you can just select an average. Alright, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that the duration of your study is of 2 years. Now this is a default selection. What is the intended use of this account? This is the default selection which is education or child education. Then your occupation category student, your occupation description student. Is this account a benefit a third party? No. This is the default selection. Please do not change this. Now you need to upload your offer letter in PDF or JPG format, but make sure the size of your PDF should be less than 5 MB. Alright, for example, I'll select this form. So okay, it's getting uploaded because it's less than 5 MB. Okay, then street number, add the street number, whatever street number you have, street name. Okay, now some of you will have a confusion regarding what to add in street name. Is that does the street name should be as same as your address in the passport? So let me tell you that this column does not support more than some specific words. See, for example, if I write this and click on next, see, maximum allowed length is 50. So just make sure that the address in your passport is just similar. You need not write the whole of it, just write the mandatory details. That's it. Now permanent state means of India. I'll write Gujarat in caps. Next, permanent city, Surat for me. Zip code, whatever. Phone number, whatever. Registered email address means your email address. My guy name is abc@gmail.com. confirm email address, the same email address, abc@gmail.com. When you see this, as I type, you can see it over here. Password. A valid password should have a minimum of 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, one special character. Alright, so fill in the password whatever you like. Then enter your passport number, passport issue date, select your passport issue date, whatever your passport issue date is. I'm just selecting it randomly. Okay, country of citizenship, it's India for me. Okay, date of birth, whatever date of birth you have. I'm just selecting it randomly. Referral details, okay, this is important. Referral details means once you arrive in Canada, you will have 25 Canadian dollars if you fill these details. Means you can add detail of mine if you'd like. I would love to if you use my email address, so I would recommend you to use my email address, but it's completely up to you. So anyways, how did you hear about us? Select friends and family, then in details write my name, which is Mohammadzaid Shah. Are you applying through the referral program? Yes, click on that. Then you need to add my email address. Where is it? Yes, that's it. Email address of referrer at zshah@outlook.com. That's my email address. Make sure to add this email address, otherwise it won't get successful. So it's like you as well as me will get 25 Canadian dollars. Remitting bank means the bank from which you want to transfer. So I'm just selecting randomly. Write your account number from which you need to transfer. PAN number, it's not mandatory. Alright, then select, I confirm, and this is the default selection now. Alright, after clicking on this payment summary, you will have and you will get this page like that. Thank you, and this is your reference code GIC. whatever number you will get, you will have this unique code. If you have any future further queries, then you can refer this GIC number in your email address. Alright, then after that you will have an instruction sheet, how to download an instruction sheet. Now let me open my account so that I can teach you how to download the instruction sheet. You just need to sign in. This is my email address which I registered. Okay, so this is what will appear. Click on view details, but so you can have the details of it, but you need to click on print instruction sheet. Once you click that, a sheet will be downloaded. Alright, that's what I'm showing it to you, as I've already downloaded it. This is the instruction sheet. Alright, which will have details in which you need to transfer your GIC amount. Okay, beneficiary IFSC code, bank branch address, beneficiary name. This is an Indian account of Mumbai Standard Chartered Bank. Can you see it? So it's just like a normal NEFT or RTGS transaction for you. Then here is a guide to how to transfer through NEFT or RTGS. So that's it. Once you transfer it, then after 2 to 3 business days, you will have this final confirmation that yes, we have received your amount, and here is your type of investment, GIC, issued by CIBC, investment amount 10,000 Canadian dollars, and this is how you will get this. In first disbursement after 60 days, you will have 10,000 Canadian dollars, as you will already get 2,000 Canadian dollars once you arrive in Canada. After that, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, which is 8,000 in total. Alright, in 364 days, as you have already received 2,000 Canadian dollars. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much.